interconnectedness of all beings. The cosmic web that binds us all, starseeds and humanity alike. We'll explore the concept of collective consciousness, the symphony of unity, and how our interconnectedness shapes the destiny of humankind. Each of us is a note in the cosmic melody, contributing to the universal harmony. Before we continue, please check out my description to unlock your wealth DNA. The cosmic journey is enriched by the diversity of experiences and expressions. Different cultures, races, and perspectives are threads woven into the cosmic tapestry, creating a vibrant mosaic of existence. The cosmic web of interconnectedness transcends time and space. It's a dance of energy, where every thought, action, and emotion sends ripples through the fabric of the universe, influencing the collective consciousness. Spiritual leaders from various traditions emphasize the importance of unity. The teachings echo the timeless truth that separation is an illusion, and in our interconnectedness, we find strength, wisdom, and a shared destiny. Recognizing our interconnectedness extends beyond human connections. Our shared home, Earth, calls for collective responsibility. Environmental conservation becomes a sacred duty as we honor the planet that sustains us all. Imagine the universe as a living, breathing entity with a cosmic heartbeat. Each being, each soul, contributes to this rhythmic pulsation, creating a resonance that echoes through the cosmos. Acts of kindness and compassion are the threads that strengthen the cosmic fabric. When we extend love to others, we are not only enriching their lives but also harmonizing with the universal flow of compassion. Energy is never isolated. It flows seamlessly through the interconnected strands of the cosmic web. Whether through a smile, a kind word, or a shared moment of understanding, our energetic exchanges contribute to the collective vibrational frequency. Communities are microcosms of the cosmic tapestry. As we build connections within our communities, we mirror the larger dance of interconnectedness, fostering a sense of belonging and shared purpose. As we conclude this exploration of interconnectedness, let's embrace the truth that we are all interconnected threads in the cosmic fabric. Join us in the next segment as we unravel the cosmic blueprint, exploring our role as co-creators with the universe. Until then, may your awareness of interconnectedness guide your cosmic journey.